Well, well, well. What do we have here? Principal of the year? Ugh, her face makes me sick. But I can fix that. Now her outside matches her inside. Artistic genius over here. Haha, who's in charge now, huh? Brilliant! I've done it again.
Done what again? That's not funny, okay? She doesn't deserve that. Oh no, hear that? She's coming! The principal!
I'm not the one with ink on my hands.
Oh no, this is bad.
Haha, wait, my hands are covered in ink too. I didn't think this through. Now what?
The lockers, now! She's coming! Come on, please. Get in.
Get in?
Don't question it. Move! Ever hear of ladies first?
Close it!
I smell trouble. My portrait? Who would do such a thing? Ugh, those rotten kids. Huh? That's odd. They didn't lock their stuff? These kids never learn.
Spider! Gross!
It's just cobwebs. Relax.
What is this place?
Pretty spacious, right?
I guess. Oh, is that a mouse? Help me!
A mouse? Seriously?
It's got teeth and stuff. Whatever.
Get it together. Cobwebs don't scare me. Get out of here. So many of them. Yuck.
What are you doing over there? Cleaning isn't the worst idea. In fact, I'll do more than clean. Ever hear of thinking outside the box and dirt? This place has some potential, I think.
Hey! Do you mind? I still have work to do. This should be the last of it. Oh, didn't see this piece. Is it stuck? I can't believe it. Just look.
You call that art?
It's me and the team.
I hate it here.
I love it. Hey, what's this? A memory box? No harm in a little snooping. What's in here? Whoa, jackpot. Just look at all this.
Huh? What the?
Sorry. Check it out. Noodles, my favorite. Smells ready. These things are cooked. Woohoo! Chopsticks, get in there. Just look at that steam.
You and your noodles.
Actually, I have a better idea. I love noodles so much, I'm taking things to the next level. Boom! Noodle explosion! Haha! I'll need bigger chopsticks though. How's that for wall art? You like?
That's crazy. And so unfair. What about me? Is it raining in here? Oh man, a storm's coming. Which isn't bad news. I love a good disaster. Just watch and learn, people. Shall we play a little game? I just need you a little closer. Haha! Yep, a little more. A little bit more. There, these clouds are pretty sick. Dark and gloomy is so my vibe. Unlike you. Hey, you smell that? Uh-oh, that's a little ripe. Yikes. Oh, thanks. Hold on, I got it. Yeah, jealous?
Kinda.
No peeking, okay? Wait, this is your color.
Yep.
Ooh, not this one. Too cheerful. Gross.
Hey, watch where you throw this stuff.
Don't be so dramatic. I've got the perfect solution.
Wait, I have an idea. This t-shirt is about to get a major glow up. Okay, perfect. See how it's a square now? Get rid of the scraps and move it on over here. Now we have to attach them. Good thing I paid attention in sewing class. In we go. This is gonna be awesome. Just a few more stitches. Okay, there. I did it, see? It's the perfect bedspread. I even made a pillow to match. You like? Super cozy. I love it. What do you think?
Huh? Oh, good job.
Okay.
Forget your weird patchwork. This is way more me. I may be dark, but I like to get cuddly too. Huh, what?
Nothing. I just want to add this. It's cute. According to me, at least.
Oh, I'll do you one better. Ta-da! That's much better.
Things are really coming together.
Just stick to your side, okay?
Not a problem, Jinu. I've got stuff to do over here, anyway.
Yeah, whatever, Rumi. Hey, come here for a sec.
What? You want this? Fine.
Got it. Thanks. And just like that, sort of celestial, don't you think? Goes great in here.
How'd you do that?
There's more. Look.
Wow, I could use something like that. Oh no, it's all broken. Bummer.
We can't all be as talented as me.
I guess. What about all this stuff? Things are looking up. I love all the colors. Just look how they flow in the wind. Like magic. Look, cool, right?
Not too bad. Oh, I need a rug. Really warms up the place. See?
A rug? Is there one under here? Or just a bunch of old cardboard? It's so cold and empty in here.
That's too bad. You know what? I'm not all bad. This should warm you up.
That's so nice. Maybe he does care.
Don't get used to it.
I know just what to do. When in doubt, braid it out. This will give things great texture. Just a few more to go. Just like doing my hair in the morning. There, we've got a braid, people. A big one. And just like that, it's a luxurious rug. Fantastic. So cushy, too. Impressed? It's just what I needed.
Yeah, obviously.
Hey, the sun is setting. It's nighttime already? Goodbye, light, and hello, darkness.
Yikes, I'll handle this. There.
Yeah?
Hello? Lights?
It's not working.
I can't feel my palms.
Anyway,
Let me think. We need light? Then I'll get us some light. Package incoming. Down here. Come on. Got it. Just wait.
is it good?
I'd say so.
Ooh, it's pretty.
Hey, you take it.
Really? Thanks. It'll go perfect by the bed. I could watch those stars for hours. And I will.
My pleasure. And I have one too. Just look how mesmerizing. Wait, that's it. Well,
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Especially my side.
mine too, Rumi.
It's so me.
And so is this.
It's just perfect.
You can say that again.
Nice work.
Ditto.
Wait, down here. A bunch of toys.
Let's see them.
It's an old school picture. But who is it?
Looks familiar. Oh my gosh. She's a lot younger, but it's her.
What?
She wears glasses now. It's the principal! Can you see it now?
This is her old stuff.
These pictures are hilarious. What's that lady drawing? She's so serious. You kids think painting is easy? Sounds like you need a reality check. Oh, what? How'd we get over here? At least we're together, right? Sweet, huh? Want to give it a try? How hard can a heart be? Just a couple of curved lines. Haven't drawn one of these in a while. Let's try this again. One curve here. Ugh, I'm terrible at this. I can't make the sides even. This is gonna take me forever. But maybe this grid could help. I can use each square, going down a peg again and again. That covers the bottom half. Now on to the top. It's prettier with the different colors. Just a few more. It's awesome! Check it out!
What a unique approach! And this one, a tad literal for my taste. I think Matt really nailed this round.
Oh yeah!
Ugh. What's taking her so long? Almost done. Your patience has paid off. Ta-da!
That looks kind of fun! Drawing a boy is super easy. I look at one in the mirror every day. So good. Where'd Ellie learn to do all that? Oh, I can't turn this in.
Matt, you don't have time. Let's see those pictures.
I gotta think really fast here. There, a boy.
Huh? I guess that is a boy.
Oh, wait, let me make one little adjustment.
Fine, but just 1 minute.
Thank you! These letters are a great starting point. First, just link them all together. See? It's coming together. And a little color makes it alive. Aw, he's kinda cute. Ha! Take that, art challenge. It's a masterpiece. What do you think?
2 Picassos in training. I knew we could do it. Meow. Mesmerized, huh? Well, snap out of it. We have to draw a cat? Okay, I guess.
This is tricky.
Any day now.
Whiskers? I could use a little inspiration. Is she really asleep? Now I can really get to work. Say goodbye, little kitty. You're coming with me. Hey, Ellie.
How'd you get that? So unfair! I want one too! But I can be clever too.
Good boy.
I prefer the real deal. Aw.
Mwah. I've done it again.
You're my very best friend. And I'm gonna draw you too. You're bigger than I anticipated. I can't trace you at all. Maybe if you turn just a bit. This isn't working. What a happy accident! You know how to spell cat! Matt, hold him for a sec.
Where'd you come from? Anyway,
let's do this. Much better. Time to turn the word cat into something a little more cat-like. I'll make this little guy brown. Don't forget the ears. And perhaps a few fun stripes. Almost as cute as the real thing. What do you think? Anybody home over there? What'd I miss? Right, kitties. Cute job, Ellie. That looks awfully familiar, Matt. And now I know why.
sorry.
Guess I'm taking this round then. Being creative is more than drawing on a page. Are we done dancing yet? Because there are doggies to be drawn. This is gonna be interesting.
Do I start with the ears?
Matt, you need a little help? Check out this doggy over here.
What? A dog? Ah, forget it.
Oh, hey, Ellie. See the doggy? Hey, I kind of see it now. It's like a Rottweiler. I can just trace it on here. And I can add my own details, like its little doggy collar. And what's a dog without sweet eyes? Time for the wet nose. And a long tongue. And the right pops of color. Turn this thing into a real piece of art. Man, I'm good.
I just need a little extra help. I don't think this will work either. How does this stuff even get in here? Seriously? This is what I was hoping for. Oh, such a good boy. And so handsome.
Oh, he really is adorable. Oh, wait, no, where's your art? Mine's ready, miss. I see I really inspired you.
Yay!
But now I just want to pet him. He really is soft. And last but not the least, purple. Attention, please. We're not done here.
We're drawing rainbows, huh?
Let the games begin.
Can't forget this one. They always begin with red. See? Looking like a rainbow already.
I'm not really into markers.
Mind your own business.
She's not even doing anything. Hey, is that a puppet? I love those things. And it's exactly what I need. Ha! Isn't it great? But I'm using it for something a little different. Each line gets its own color. Just a couple more here. There! Can't forget about the holes. Now for the quick flip. Isn't this just so satisfying? Almost as satisfying as this. Teacher, heads up! Hey! We're ready now. Wow, so many beautiful colors. Execution's a bit off.
Okay.
Now that's thinking outside the box.